Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Hacoo app. You will enter to settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of you will scrolling down until you find this page of apps. Here you will go to this application of Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.